The Lesson I Learned. Title: The Lesson I Learned from my first public speaking experience story. I remember the first time I had to speak in public. It was during a high school assembly, and I was supposed to present a project I had worked on for months. As I stood in front of my classmates and teachers, my hands trembled and my voice shook. I was so nervous that I forgot half of what I had planned to say. But then, something amazing happened. One of my teachers gave me an encouraging nod, and I took a deep breath. I decided to speak from the heart rather than relying on my notes. As I shared my genuine thoughts and passion for the project, I noticed the audience's faces light up with interest. That experience taught me that authenticity and passion are more powerful than perfection. It was a turning point that gave me the confidence to pursue public speaking and ultimately led to many opportunities I would have missed if I had let fear hold me back.
Subscribe, like, share.